Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Comcast Xfinity service status, full guide step by step clearly. To verify your Comcast Xfinity service status, start by opening a web browser on your device. In the address bar, type www.xfinity.com and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the sign in button located at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button to access your account. Enter your Xfinity username and password in the provided fields. After entering your credentials, click the sign in button to log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Services tab in the main menu. In the Services section, you will see a summary of your current service status. Check for any service outages or issues listed on this page. If you do not see any outages, you can also click on Manage Your Services for more detailed information. For further assistance, scroll down to the Help and Support section. There, you can find troubleshooting tips if your service is not functioning properly. In case you prefer using a mobile device, you can also use the Xfinity My Account app. Download and install the app from your device's app store if you haven't already. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your Xfinity credentials. In the app, tap on the Internet or TV tab to check your service status. You can also report any issues directly through the app if necessary. If you experience persistent issues, consider contacting Xfinity customer support. You can reach them by calling their support number or using the chat feature on their website. Following these steps will help you verify your Comcast Xfinity service status efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.